this instant, Junior, we're in hot pursuit.
Maybe they follow the...
Oh,
is he gonna
the
stop him?
after? He's going to get the U. Yep, he's going to get the U. Yep, got the U. Suck shit, there's a couple more up ahead.
Not a good place to break down.
I'm glad I'm dead. I want this fucking Buddha head. The stress is building up. I can't believe suicide's on my fucking mind. I wanna leave. I swear to God, I feel like death is fucking calling me. Nah, you wouldn't understand.
Oops.
You're coming on like you're my best friend. I know you'd like to think my life depends on you. Why don't you stop? Why don't you take a listen round? If your thoughts don't make a sound, why don't you change your way of thinking?
A few moments later.
Girl and boy, better make it fast. If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it loud.
Authentic figure than you might think from the opening scenes where she arrives in the airport with clutching the dog, both wearing pink fluffy outfits, right? And what I would now, here's my non-spoiler alert is episode 5. So this is a show which is like mostly, to start off with, certainly it's in the girls format, a comedy. Most episodes are around the 30-35 minute mark. Then you get to episode 5, which is an hour long. And episode 5, and I'm not going to spoil it, but it is
is suspicious of immigrants and isn't fond of any German-speaking people floating around. He wins Fuchs's trust, but Fuchs doesn't win his.
He just considered them having had a different upbringing, different values.
With the things happening in Eastern Europe, with the red witch hunt in the United States, the climate change.
Hello, officer. What's the problem? Get out of the car.
Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Both in various versions, so that ends up we're close to maybe 1 million images or so. And once again, it's not we're not looking at it as job security or anything like that. It takes a long time to actually properly house our, because anything that we digitize, we want to make sure that it's rehoused properly so that it doesn't have to be pulled again. And so we house it properly. Everything has to be cataloged. So that we can give a unique file name with all sorts of...
The detectives.
Hey, we don't know this guy.
Yeah.
Think he might have been drinking.
Hey, they're just kidding. Hey.
See who we get. Is it the van? It's the... No, you can't. There's no right turn. Both of them. Oh, I bet you that prick just got someone. Finally! I bet you he just got someone. God, I missed it turning right. I guarantee you this guy got busted by the cops. Finally there's a cop around who saw that guy doing the illegal right turn.
You